Hello everyone, so today I'll be presenting this website I've been working on. It's a project for the prompt engineering course. So this is a website powered by AI. So here we have the trending movies, and here we have the movies. All the movies are here. I used the TMDB API so I can fetch these movies. Alright, so let's test the AI, but first let us feed it some data. So I'm gonna review some movies. Let's go with Spider-Man. Okay, it's already rated. Let's read this one. Alright, let's rate this one as well. Okay, let's rate some animation movies. Okay, good. Alright, now let's tell him. Let's first tell him hello. Suggest some movies for me. And now he will get me 5 movies based on my taste. So he got Spirited Away, The Dark Knight, and Parasite, and Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. Makes sense, anime, superhero movies, Spider-Man. He also, by the way, got me to the last 2 movies, the Spider-Man and the second Spider-Man, because it's already on my watch list. I made it so the AI always gets you in the recommendation too from your watch list, or, or your watch later list. We can ask him, why did you choose this? He will explain why he chose this movie, but let's not read it, so not lose time. What we could okay, he also can get you movies from your saved list, so let's tell him. All these are in my saved list. We can check it if you want. Here they are, the Spider-Man, this and this and this. What we can also do, let's ask him some information about the movie. Let's go with your name. Okay, so this is a short description. It's a romantic fantasy film about 2 high school students who swap bodies and life. It's kinda accurate, I think. Now let's check the code. I'm not gonna show the whole code, but I'm gonna show just the prompt that I feed it to the AI, so he can answer better and shorter and also faster. Now let's take a look at the code. It's not the code. Not gonna show the code because it's gonna take hours to do that. But I'm gonna show you just the prompt I feed it the AI so he can respond faster and better. So this is the 5 keys I included. First, it's greeting and chit chat. At first, the AI was not responding to hi, hello, or any question or any like chit chat thing. So I fixed that. And the fetch saved watch list. So if you ask him something about like get me a movie from saved list, show me my saved movie, he will retrieve the movies you from your saved list. We already tried that. We have discovery and suggestion. If you ask him suggest me something new, suggest anything, he will give you 5 recommendation. He include the 2 watch list like I told you. He can't return more than 5 or fewer than 5. The specific movie info, We already tried it. If you ask him something about the movie, he will respond simply. And we have the explanation request. Already tried it. Why did you choose this movie? Why this movie? And explain. And these are some few short examples the AI use when he's answering this thing. For example, the chit chat thing. Hi there, he will respond with hello, I'm Simon, ready to find your next movie. Because before it was too simple. When you ask him hi there, he say hi, and that's it. So I added this to make him talk more and talk better. It's simple and short because I didn't want it to be too complicated and too big for a movie recommender. And now let's talk about why we choose this movie and why, and how we use the AI. So first, the problem was that users take so much time to decide what to watch, and most of the movies platform use traditional filtering. So the solution was AI recommends 5 movies based on the user taste with one prompt. As an example, you can just tell him suggest a movie for me, and he suggests 5 for you, not just one. So why we use the AI tools: to accelerate development through automated code generation, to reduce repetitive boilerplate implementation, support creative exploration of recommendation logic, enable natural language query processing. AI as accelerator, not replacement for engineering judgment. The AI tools and model used lovable for front-end UI. We used it as a template first, and then started improving the UI. We used Cursor to assist us in the backend development. We used OpenAI Codex to help us with the backend logics and API. We asked them about stuff. And for Google Gemini, we used it for the alternative solution, the explanation, and Claude Sonnet for refactoring and prompt refinement. So the AI usage in the front-end phase, we generated UI component and layout using Lovable, like I said, rapid prototype of search and watch list interfaces, 16 or to 70% faster initial UI creation, but for the limitation we had generic layouts, manual refinement required. For the backend and logic, we used AI to generate the raw functional logic for the API endpoint, suggested data models and error handling patterns, produced pseudocode for recommendation flows, all architectural decisions validated by us, prompt engineering strategies, iterative prompting with increasing constraint, role-based prompts, example, act as a backend engineer, cooperative request for multiple approaches, error-driven prompt for debugging, where AI was successful. It was successful in generating functional starter backend code, explained complex algorithm clearly, accelerated debugging and error interpretation, helped structures natural language queries. Where AI was not successful, he hallucinated with no existing libraries, incorrect assumption about project context, overly generic recommendation logic. All outputs required verification. When we got stuck, and how AI helped: used AI to rapidly narrow down the scope of errors, generated functional code to template to kickstart development and avoid starting from scratch, decomposed complex problems into smaller tasks. Human v AI responsibilities: AI suggestion, explanation, draft code, but for the human, he should validate architecture and decision making. All production code reviewed by humans, human accountability maintained. So what we learned through this is prompt clarity more important than model choice. Multiple models improve reliability, and the AI can accelerate development but does not replace the skills. Understanding limitation is essential. Conclusion: Sidemind demonstrates how effective AI-assisted development. The prompt engineering is a critical technical skill in the querying market. So for the conclusion, Sidemind demonstrates how effective AI-assisted development and prompt engineering is a critical technical skill. Best result achieved through human plus AI collaboration. AI can't replace us but can help us work faster.